Getting the solutions right is the single most important thing you can do to successfully install your kit. Many factors such as temperature, humidity, and your environment can dictate how your solution will react during install. But let's start with the basics. In your kit, we include two bottles, red for Tack solution and blue for slip solution. The bottles have a measuring line along the side so you can mix your solutions just right. The nozzle is adjustable. To create a stronger and more pointed stream, simply turn the nozzle counterclockwise. This pointed stream can be useful when you need to shoot further into the film or in hard-to-reach areas. To create a wide spray, simply turn the nozzle clockwise. This is a setting you'll mostly be using throughout the install. The bottles have double spray technology, so with each spray, there will be two sprays, 1, 2. This helps prevent fatigue in your hands as you will be spraying a lot of solution during install. Before we get started, always make sure to clean your bottles before every use. This is very important since you don't want to spray contaminants on your car when you're installing. If your solution has been sitting for over a day, it's best to dump it and remix it. Now, let's get the solutions mixed. Slip solution is used to slide the film into position. If you have too little soap, the solution will create dry spots and you won't be able to move the film into position. If you have too much though, it may be too slippery and you'll have difficulty getting the film to stick into position. You need to find the perfect balance. Grab your bottle now and rinse it out. Then, come back to mix the slip solution with me. I'll be here waiting. Once it's rinsed, fill the blue bottle up to 1,000 ml with distilled water. It's important to use very clean water so you have no contamination in your water that may cause any issues when installing. For slip solution, we recommend 5 ml of soap. Open your slip solution container and use the provided syringe to measure it up to 5 ml. Drop the soap into the bottle. It's important to put the soap in after you fill the water bottle so it doesn't over-sud. Once you add the soap, don't shake it like a Polaroid. Instead, give it a few swirls and toss up and down a couple of times. Now, set that aside and grab your red bottle and we'll mix the Tack solution. For the Tack solution, pour distilled water into the Tack bottle until it reaches 800 ml. Now, fill the bottle up to 1,000 ml with the included iso alcohol. The ratio is 80-20. There isn't as much variability due to the environment unlike the slip solution. So you're good to go. You also want to avoid shaking it aggressively. Give the Tack bottle a swirl and toss up and down just a couple of times, just like the slip. One thing to keep in mind is if you do decide to do this project over a few days, it's good to practice to create new solutions before each time because you don't want to use solutions that's been sitting for a while. Our rule of thumb is to fill it up before each large panel. For example, I'll fill it up before doing the fenders and again before starting on the hood. This makes sure you don't run out of solution in the middle of an install.